Hi there investors, it's This Week in Forex, Cryptocurrency and Stocks with Invest Diva. I'm your coach Kiana Danielle and I'll give you your 5-minute overview of these markets in just a moment. But before we get started, remember that investing in the financial markets involves risk of loss and you should only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Make sure to calculate your risk tolerance before selecting the assets to invest in. Forex and crypto are especially higher risk. If you watch until the end of this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like to get my secrets on how to make your money work for you and generate passive income, don't forget to attend my masterclass by clicking on the link in the description area. Forex is first. Last week was a very volatile week for the US dollar, which experienced major swings among the ongoing trade war with China. Following China's announcement that it would impose more tariffs upon the United States, markets struggled to zone in on the greenback's true value. The Canadian dollar also had a very up and down week, but for the most part experienced some sustained losses. Next week, we'll keep a close eye on new GDP reports along with oil futures. As the trade war surged on, many Forex traders directed their wealth to the much less risky Euro and Swiss Franc. If tensions heightened, expect these major currencies to increase in relative value even further. It was an unusually positive week for the British pound, suggesting that the sterling may have finally discovered a new price floor. Elsewhere, the Aussie dollar was weighed down by ongoing trade tensions, while the Japanese yen remained somewhat stable. With a new month right around the corner, we'll have plenty of reports to look forward to. Next is the crypto market. After a relatively boring week last week, Bitcoin opened this week with a positive surge, eventually breaking the $10,500 mark. This progress was great news for Bitcoin holders who had previously experienced a surprising mid-August price drop. One of the biggest news stories coming from the crypto world was Binance's decision to begin a crypto lending program, which may charge up to 15% annual interest. This marks a major turning point for the industry as it diversifies and expands its commercial reach. In the regulatory world, we saw both Australia and Switzerland clarify new rules and legal requirements for coin producers. At the same time, Facebook's status with its proposed coin, Libra, has inspired a wide range of questions. Taking a closer look at Bitcoin's price action versus the US dollar, is still consolidating right around the $10,000 pivot level. Below the daily Ichimoku cloud, the volatility is getting lower and lower, and this could just be the calm before the storm that could take the markets by surprise. We currently have a bunch of mixed signals on the chart with a potential double bottom bullish reversal chart pattern forming. And the Ichimoku Kinkohyo indicator is all over the place. So brace yourselves for some surprises in either direction and make sure your portfolio is ready for any type of hurricane in the Bitcoin price. Last but not least, let's take a look at the stock market. Unsurprisingly, the ongoing trade war with China has been reflected throughout most major stock markets. Following the announcement of new tariffs last Friday, the S&P 500 managed to lose 50 points in the matter of just a few hours. Right before the tariff news broke last week, Fed Chair Jerome Powell announced that the Fed is prepared to offer stimulus if the economy begins to slow down. The announcement came amid an ongoing feud between the central bank and the White House. Elsewhere, the mortgage market has expanded and is now appealing to risky borrowers in a manner that is reminiscent of the pre-recession era. This week, we'll pay close attention to a major G7 summit where the United States will attempt to ease over tensions with some of the world's largest economies. We'll also keep a close eye on whether Bristol Myers is able to acquire Celgene. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies for all these markets in Investiva's premium investing group, also known as the PIG, on Tuesday. If you like this video, like it and subscribe so that you won't miss out on my next update. And don't forget to attend my 3 Secrets to Making Your Money Work for You masterclass by clicking on the link in the description area. Thank you so much for watching Investiva, and remember, make your money work for you.